बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। My name is Dr. Muazzam Manzoor. Medicine is my profession and teaching is my passion. And I will share my passion with you people through the course of my lectures. Today we are going to start off our discussion with the subsection of basic concepts of cell biology. Well, I am a big picture guy, and whenever I go to the classrooms even, I have got a tendency to give the big picture to my students. I always like to give the big picture and then I try to build up the finer details into that big picture. It helps me to organize the information in the brains of the students, because I personally think that organization of the information specifically for the subject of biology is very, very important. So here is our today's big picture. First of all, we will discuss cells as basic structural and functional units of living things. सबसे पहले हम cells को living things के basic structural और functional units के तौर पर discuss करेंगे. And secondly, we'll discuss about the big picture of structure of a eukaryotic cell. एक टिपिकल यूकैरियोटिक सेल के स्ट्रक्चर की मैं आपको बिग पिक्चर दूंगा, एंड आने वाले सब सेक्शंस में हम उस बिग पिक्चर की फर्दर डिटेल्स में जाएंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ आवर डिस्कशन.